Wow, it's lovely, isn't it? Anyway, after a pretty awesome breakfast, we got the picnic, and wow, it's 2 chunky sandwiches and like 2 apples and a big chunk of cheese and some juice and stuff.
3 apples.
3 apples?
And an apricot.
Oh no, it's a tomato.
It's a peach, it's a tomato and a nice, oh, the fake cheese.
There you go. Alright, so we shouldn't starve to death. But now, it's a big day. We're walking to Refuge de la Balme. Refuge de la Balme? It's going to be, I guess, about 8 hours, and it's going to be 90 degrees. So it's going to be very hot. Ah, it's a tough hill. Refuge de tête lush. There you go. Still cool. It's going to get hot, but it's about 7:45. It's still cool, and the sun is absolutely fantastically beautiful right now. The light in all the flowers and stuff. Oh my god. Lupine. All the little cabins and the snowy peaks. Ay, ay, ay. Well, that's quite some little river there. Eat your heart out. Now we go up. It's the Alpine wildlife. A lot of people. I'm surprised about that. It's a sheep. I like the trough. Do you like the trough, Elizabeth? Do you like the water trough?
We now know that we can drink out of it. Can't wait.
Yeah, well, I'm not carrying any water. I'm alright. Wow. It really is quite something. Holy moly. Ay, ay, ay. Whoa. Picturesque is not the word. Bonjour.
I thought we were like going.
No, it's around Mont Blanc, not over Mont Blanc.
You want to go over Mont Blanc? Yeah, you can carry my bag, I'll carry yours. Alright, okay. That's a lot of crickets. It's the cricket field. Alright, turns out the discoverer of Neptune, an astronomer called Alexis Bouvard, lived in this house. Ah, there he is. He did tables of stuff and he went off to Paris. There you go. Oh look, and there's a bit of the moon. The moon is named, it has a valley on the moon. There you go. The river's going nuts here because it's like June the 27th or something. But I've just got to say that coming from the top of the mountain, and all you can feel is just the cold air coming off the river. So it's like having air conditioning. And because today it's like 90 degrees again, you can have like the cold whoosh coming off the river. That's really nice. That's great. Water everywhere. Late June. Looks like it's kind of washed the path away. Bonjour. Bonjour. Horsies. Wow, they're big horsies. It's not one of pomme de terre. Are we hot girls?
Yeah.
No, we're not hot. Okay. Are you hot, MZ?
Yes.
Yes. Whoa. That's pretty nice. Wow, it's truly quite amazing. Not too busy now because it's so hot. I think it is 90 degrees and I think it's so hot. Most of the other people are kind of giving up at this point. And butterflies and buttercups. Oh my god. They're filming something in a church where I want to film something.
Yeah.
So we're going to Refuge de la Balme. And wow, it's 2 hours up here. And holy moly, it's looking pretty steep. Straight from the river. It's supposed to be 2 hours. 2 hours. I won't be bringing sandals again. Or indeed, a down jacket, or any rain gear, or a poncho, or micro spikes. It's a Pont Romain. And it does look kind of familiar. Yeah. It's a Pont Romain. Still here. Whoa. It's quite the gorge there. Look, it's a Pont Romain. Whoa. I see that every day. I hope that comes out actually because it's kind of in the trees. That would be a killer drone shot. Someone should fly their drone up the waterfall. about an hour to Refuge de la Balme. Oh, there it is. Okay, I think we're arriving. Wow, that was quite a climb. So we came up there, and then this is Refuge de la Balme. Thank God, because that was quite the climb there. I just really need a shower and about 10 pints of cold water. Look at the view though, eh? I think Rachel's going to be a bit tired. Come on, Tiny. Taking any pictures?
Well, it's not very good of a time lapse because one, there's no clouds, and two, the light hasn't changed at all.
Yep. Yeah, right. So you have to try, right? There are some clouds actually.
Well, it's not going to be enough to be like, oh, look at those clouds.
You'll be surprised. Yeah.